Hey everyone, it's Jeka. In this series, I have created video tutorials of the new Canva AI features, which we call the Magic Studio. So if you want to watch the other videos, you can just simply click the link in my bio. We are now on the 5th feature of the Canva Studio, and ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay yung Magic Morph, wherein sabi dito, it transform words and shapes with a simple written prompt. So, saan ba natin makikita yung Magic Morph? So, you just have to go to the apps and then i-type lang dito yung Magic Morph. There you go. So, ito yung logo ng Magic Morph. So, you just have to click on that and then i-click natin yung open. So, merong instructions dito na we have to select an element in your design. So, subukan muna natin na gamitin muna natin to. For example, itong star na to. And then, what we are going to do here is we are going to describe the look. So, gusto natin siyang gawin into something na extraordinary by just describing kung ano yung look na yon na gusto natin. So, let's say we want to transform it into a pink foil balloon. So, yan yung gusto kong mangyari dito. So, gusto ko siyang magmukhang parang yung balloon pero color pink siya. Okay, so, let's just click the Magic Morph here. So, ayan. Binigyan na tayo ng 4 na options. Pero hindi ito yung color pink na gusto ko. So, siguro kulang lang yung description na nilagay natin. Pero, dito sa 4 na options nito, I think I like this. Okay, I like this better. Ayan, so lagay lang natin siya dyan. Now, let's try to change it into a light pink furry and then generate results. So, ayan siya. Ito na yung ating output. So, para sa akin, this one is better. So, click lang natin yan. And so that it will be added to our design. And also, aside from the element, we can also change the look of our text. So, what we are going to do is select nyo lang yung text and then go to the apps and then again, click nyo lang yung morph and then you describe yung look na gusto naman ninyo dito. So, for this one, I would like to put the golden yellow foil balloon. So, let's just wait for it to load. So, ayan, let's just try to check kung saan dito yung gusto natin na effect. So, ayan. So, ganyan na siya. So, na-transform yung ating simple text into something that is extraordinary. So, that's how you use the Magic Morph.